In this video, we are going to discuss about proprietary software. Let's see what a proprietary software is. Software that can be used only by obtaining a license after paying a fees for it is called a proprietary software. In the previous video, we have seen that there are some software that are available free of cost. However, not all software are free of cost. Why? Because some people or some organizations who have developed a software, customized software for some specific use, feel that they should not share it with someone. They make it a mode of revenue for themselves. So they sell the license to use it for a fee. Such software is called proprietary software. Its source code is not available for free. It is not available anywhere. In fact, it is usually a closely guarded secret by the developer, be it an organization or an individually. An example, most popular example of proprietary software would be Microsoft Windows, an operating system that we use on our computers. In fact, 88% of people all over the world use that software, but it is a proprietary software. You have to pay to buy it and then use it. These are some of the major restrictions on a proprietary software. It cannot be distributed further. If you have bought a license for yourself, only you can use it. If you have bought a multi-user license, say it says that okay, you can install that software on 5 systems. So only on 5 systems it will be installed. You cannot install it on a 6th system. Number of users that can use it. Type of computer it can be installed on. For example, single user or multitasking. So if your software is a single user edition, you cannot install it on a system that is a multitasking. Multitasking as in many people are using it for multiple jobs simultaneously. So these are some of the major restrictions on a proprietary software. In this video, we have seen what a proprietary software is and how it functions. In the next video, we are going to look at some of the office tools that make our life so easy every day.